Hello, good morning. I hope that you're doing great. My name is Christelle, I am French, and we are going on a little walk. Alright, so the truth is I feel that I've been slacking off again. Like, I haven't taken enough photos lately, haven't gone on a lot of photo walks. So this morning at 10:15 I have an appointment at the doctor, and I thought I would take this opportunity to go on a photo walk too. Il manquait un truc. Alright, I am out of the doctor's office, so now let's just walk. Right now I'm at 315 kilometers. Do you think I can walk 10 kilometers today? I haven't taken any photos yet today. I'm sort of trying to enjoy filming with this camera, which I think I don't use enough. I need to find a way to edit the footage in a way that's pleasing to me. Well, the vibe with that is obviously very different from the entire mood or like ambiance with the GoPro, and I'm not sure which one I like better. For bats, it seems. Right, it's 11 and I am finally barely getting the camera out. Shooting with a Nikon D7500 today, and I am now slightly over 5 kilometers. I don't think that this is going to be a 10 kilometers day, but I am still not done. That's a lot of nuts right behind the grass. Is that a nest? It does look like a little nest. Look at this dude, just napping. More cows there. So that's some Highland cows. They are the prettiest cows ever. So I'm going to exit this sort of nature zone very soon. At the end there. You see the stairs. Wow, I love the zoom on this. Yeah. So I will exit very soon. And I am far from 10 kilometers. Honestly, it's just not too bad. It doesn't really matter that I didn't reach 10 kilometers. My goal this morning was really to go to the doctor first and to just do some walking, some filming, film with that camera specifically to try to see if I like it, if I can edit it aesthetically so that it does something that I like. So yeah. Haven't really taken a lot of photos, maybe 2 or 3. That's a shame. Yeah, it was more of a video day, that's okay. Look how I can zoom on this little guy. It's still there. So I'm back home and that's 7:67. Alright, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!